to another edition of Shel Shows Off Hampton Roads. Today, we're featuring East Beach, Norfolk. So come on, let's go see what it's all about. Situated between the marina and the bay. East Beach is a planned community known for its unique architecture and vibrantly colored houses. This walkable neighborhood may remind you of quaint seaside villages from your favorite movies. Carriage houses, townhouses, apartment houses, tiny houses, and even a clubhouse. And with activities galore like a farmer's market filled with food trucks and local vendors, and concerts in the park. With home prices starting at mid-400s all the way up to over $1 million, East Beach is a very diverse community with beach houses. You're sure to find something to keep you and your family busy. Hey, well, we hope you enjoyed this little peek at East Beach. And if you think it's what you're looking for, give us a call and we'll start a search for you. Oh, don't forget to mention it's within walking distance of restaurants and breweries. All right, well, we'll see you on the next video.